Hey everybody, this is Tony of the West Coast Finish Carpentry coming at you today from Bakersfield, California, and today I'm going to show you how to install a metal door and frame. This one you can take from start to finish. Definitely gonna like to see how this is gonna look on video. This part. I'm gonna say, look how fast I am. Yeah, that's the only thing. Like the height of these right here, I like that down there, right there. It's just ideal. Get that good old DeWalt in the frame. Yep. Never leave home with that. The reason why I'm putting them on the outside because the door swings out, plus that's what the superintendent wants. He wants to make sure he has his ½ inch on the outside. You got to use every part of your body almost, you know. It's like I said earlier, it's being comfortable with what you're doing. This one I'll tack. I'll just leave it in there for a minute, but I'll readjust everything. Just so that this end is stabilized when I put that door on. Alright, so I'm gonna go like this. Push that right there. Get this non-sticky screw, non-magnetic screw, balance it. Boom, there we go. That's how we do it on the West Coast. Quite going in by itself. Yeah. Let's use my nail set. On the construction side, you get dinged for this if you don't have all the screws on, especially when they're doing a walk. Very important. And then at the end of it all, I'll put that set screw back in when I'm finished. Let's check the rack on the inside and see where we're at. You see right here? You see that? So the rack's tight. It's open right here. What I can do is, it's not very much. See that? See what I just did? Tightened it up. I just bumped the top and moved it in. And now everything's flush. There it is. I'll screw it down. Change out my bit once again to the smaller one, to the number 2. My rack is right, all the way down. Looking at this view, that reveal, all the way down. I could always adjust this side because this side's not even tacked down yet. My main focus is this side. My level's right. Still 3 levels. The door's swinging right now, that's why it's bouncing around, but it's 3 levels. The head is low. Since the rack is right, I'll come back and I'll start stacking these in. This side. Oh, by the way, this is Bakersfield, California. We're in the valley. We're not in Southern California, nor in Northern California. We play by a whole set of rules, so don't judge us because of the Northern and the Southerners. You know, they're a little different. Here, this is where you get the blue-collar worker at. So just remember that when you guys try to prejudge the guys from California, we're a bunch of sissies. Not bad for a 50-ish-year-old man, huh? tie up this video. That's it. Interior door, metal frame, West Coast style.